When you think of the classic sound of a Fox Body Mustang, often that entails a set of Flowmaster's 2-chamber mufflers. So today we're going to install a modern version of that system on my 1990 Mustang LX. This Flowmaster CatBack Exhaust is going to fit your V8 1986 Mustang along with your 87 through 93 LX 5-liter. This will be a direct replacement for your factory exhaust and features the Super 44 2-chamber muffler to give you that iconic Flowmaster sound, along with full stainless steel construction and all hardware necessary for installation. The system is full stainless steel construction, but the tips themselves are polished stainless steel with the Flowmaster logo etched in the sides. For this installation, with a lift or a jack and jack stands, 3/8 ratchet, 15mm socket, 5/8 socket, 11/16 socket, and an exhaust hanger removal tool or small pry bar. Like pretty much every other Fox body you're going to see, the 90 LX we're working on here already has an aftermarket exhaust on it, but it's seen better days, as you can tell. So we're going to start by showing you how to remove that, then we'll install our Flowmaster. Now, if by some chance you still do have your factory exhaust on your car, or perhaps you have the factory exhaust and somebody welded in a set of Flowmasters back in the day, what you have to do is cut right here to separate the tailpipe and remove the front section and back section. Like I said, our car has an aftermarket system which has bolt-on tailpipes, so we can separate them and remove the whole system. You start the install with the tailpipe though. They're easy to figure out. You'll have the Flowmaster embossed on the outside. The hanger's will be facing inward. You sort of got to twist it up over the differential. And then put it up into the hanger. We'll grab a clamp, put it onto our Flowmaster muffler. Slide it over the tailpipe, put it up into the hanger. Okay, now we're going to hold the muffler up, line it up with our H-pipe, install the original hardware. At this point, you want to set up your tailpipe, make sure it clears the frame, also make sure it clears your control arms. You will have some side-to-side movement in it. Once it's straight, tighten down the clamp. You want to repeat the process on the other side and your installation is finished. And once your installation is finished, Flowmaster does include these retainers. Now if you want to use these, basically the way they work, you're going to make sure your pipe is through the hanger and then that goes over just to hold it in place. All right, so our Flowmaster stainless steel catback definitely looks a lot better than the older exhaust. Let's hear how it sounds. Yeah, definitely a familiar sound. If you've ever heard a Fox body before with 2 chambers, it's a very, very well-known sound. They still sound great. Our Flowmaster CatBack fit great. The polished tips look amazing on the car. Definitely brings back a classic look. And the sound, if you ever had a Fox body back in the day, that sound is timeless and they still sound great to this day. As far as the installation goes, very straightforward. Probably an hour and a half, 2 hours. Be back on the road in no time.